Welcome to the Simple Home Life YouTube channel, where my goal is to provide short, easily understandable, and simple videos to help you in maintaining and using your tools and to get you going on your next home project. Here we go. For the purpose of this video, as you can tell, I have an angle grinder here, DeWalt, and we're going to take one of these sanding flap disc, and I'm going to show you how to install it onto your angle grinder. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the package. You just see that it comes with two, so I don't have the tool, so I push the button on the side. Make sure it's unplugged, of course. Push the button, and you're going to turn it. If you can't get it, sometimes you can grab the disc and turn. To loosen it, take it off, and you want to make sure the words are up, the sanding part is down, and then you are going to retighten that nut back on there. So once it's on there, finger tight as much as you can. You'll go back over, you'll push the button again, and you'll turn it a little more just to really lock it into place. And that is all. You're ready to plug it in and start sanding whatever you need to sand. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe for more videos coming your way.